This is Andrew Bosin. I'm a tech startup lawyer located in New Jersey. Represent SaaS, software, and AI startup companies and vendors across the USA, from everything from Delaware Incorporation, founder-shareholder agreements, bylaws, to doing your website terms of service, privacy policy, cookie policy, and your customer subscription agreements or EULA agreements, especially if you're a SaaS or AI company. What do I bring to the table? Over 30 years of business legal experience, 20 years as a complex business trial lawyer in New Jersey. About the last 12 years, I've exclusively represented SaaS, AI, and software companies from my practice in New Jersey. It's a nationwide practice. And over the last 12 years, I've built both a SaaS company as the general counsel and owner, and right now I'm building a SaaS and AI company with partners, a predictive analytics platform. Being an entrepreneur, building and scaling two SaaS and AI companies has been just simply incredible. The amount of experience that I have gotten in building these companies, the software development, the biz dev, sales, marketing, working with other partners, co-founders in doing this has really moved the needle for me in terms of understanding what my client, the entrepreneur, goes through in building and scaling SaaS and AI companies. It's really been game-changing for me. I don't know how attorneys who represent SaaS and AI companies, I don't know how they do it without also being an entrepreneur and seeing, behind the scenes, how to roll up your sleeves, get in the weeds, and build these companies. You take a step forward, step back. One of the other things that I really like about my practice is the amount of time that I'm able to give to my clients. Unlike a lot of big law firms, I'm always accessible. If you text me, I typically can call you back within an hour. I offer a true fixed flat fee. You pay me up front. It includes all my time, all the calls, all the emails, all the drafts and revisions to the agreements. I spend a lot of time with my clients, working with them so that they understand their obligations and their duties. If you choose one of those DIY websites where, you click on, there's a bunch of lawyers across the country, but it's not their website. They just join this DIY, or they're part of a DIY site with different lawyers. You really don't know what you're getting. Does that lawyer specialize in SaaS? Do they specialize in AI? Do they sort of do technology, but, they'll try to figure out your agreements? All I do is SaaS and AI. 24/7. It's all I do. It's all I breathe and live. I've built two SaaS and AI companies myself, so I understand what you're going through in trying to build and scale your company and get agreements done. My agreements are very pragmatic, effective, very plain English. I define everything so that if something's defined on page 1, it has the same meaning on page 12 or page 30. I work with entrepreneurs all across the country. Always accessible. If you text me, I will text you back. No matter where you're located in the US, if you're building a SaaS or AI company and you want an affordable, pragmatic SaaS and AI lawyer who's also an entrepreneur, please call me, Andrew Bosin, at 201-446-9643.